Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the All-at-Home app is and how it's positioned. All-at-Home is a home care management app designed to support caregivers and agencies in handling daily care activities, based on official App Store descriptions. It is positioned as a digital tool for organizing caregiving workflows, including scheduling, documentation, and communication, according to developer-provided information. Users can manage care schedules, track visits, and document services provided, which are listed as core features in official listings. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app allows caregivers to log tasks and record notes related to each visit, which may help maintain accurate care records over time. It also includes time tracking and electronic visit verification features, which are commonly highlighted in official descriptions for compliance and reporting purposes. According to available information, users may be able to access client details and care plans directly within the app to stay aligned with assigned responsibilities. The platform may support communication between caregivers and administrators, helping coordinate updates and task changes, though specific tools can vary depending on configuration. Some features, such as payroll access or advanced reporting, may depend on how the system is set up by the organization and are not confirmed as universally available. Access to the app is typically restricted to users working within participating agencies, meaning it may not function as a standalone consumer app. This app may be useful for caregivers and agencies looking to manage home care operations through a centralized mobile system. For users interested in tracking visits, managing schedules, and maintaining care documentation digitally, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.